Hey everyone, today I want to talk about reflection that I had on my studying habits. I have noticed one thing about myself over the years. I get obsessed with things quite easily. In the past, I was obsessed with video games. I would play for 10 to 12 hours. Right now, I'm very addicted to walking. I go for walks 2 3 times a day and I genuinely enjoy it. That made me think about something. If I can get addicted to things like this, why can't I get addicted to studying? Because the truth is, studying has always been extremely difficult for me. Since my school days, I have struggled with it. I'm someone who finds it hard to sit and study for long hours. Honestly, even 5 to 10 minutes feels difficult. I have to force myself. And even a day before exams, I would usually study only for 2 or 3 hours, not more than that. And even during those, even during those hours, I'm not sure how much time actually goes into studying. Most of the time, I'm fighting distractions and trying to bring my attention back again and again. Focus has always been a big problem for me. I think a big part of this problem is dopamine. Right now, my brain is used to very high dopamine spikes. When I wake up, I usually open YouTube and start watching motivation or study related videos. Short form contents are also there that distracts me. I end up watching a lot of random and useless content. While I'm watching it, I feel good, but later there's this empty and miserable feeling that I have wasted my time. One important thing that I have realized after watching this all self improvement content is that it just feels rewarded. Like it feels like you are actually making the progress while you are not. You feel like you are making the progress, but you are not. So when my my brain feels rewarded without actually doing any work. So when I sit down to study, which which is boring and uncomfortable, my brain resists. Instead of studying, I end up watching more videos about studying. It becomes a loop. I keep consuming tips, tricks, and advice, but I don't take real actions. What I'm trying to do now is slowly bring my dopamine baseline back to normal. I want to train my brain to enjoy simpler, low stimulation activities again. Things like reading, writing, and studying for long hours. These don't give instant pleasure, but they give long term growth. To help to help myself with this, I have started reading and watching stories of people who were deeply obsessed with learning and work. In order to get inspired by them or by their stories, I've recently watched and read a lot about legends and historical figures like Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, and even Napoleon Bonaparte. What inspired me is their mindset. These were people who could work and study for very long hours, sometimes 14, 16, even 18 hours a day. Reading about them reminds me that this level of focus and dedication is humanly possible, even if it is extremely difficult. I also watch videos of people on YouTube who study for very long hours, and they are, you know I feel more connected with them because they are people like us. Those historical figures are quite legendary, and these YouTubers mostly feels like they how they narrate stories are feels like they are talking their story resonate with yours. That's what I feels like. And now I have decided that I'm not gonna waste my time, and start I will study as much as possible. Anyhow, I will make this process, I will build this addiction of studying. I'm I'm 27 years old and I'm in my masters. I'm unemployed, and that that creates pressure. I know that if I don't change the way I approach studying and learning, nothing else in my life will change either. You know, uh, so I have decided that anyhow I will sit for studying and keep on improving by taking actions. This time I'm not gonna rely on any studying tapes. I would first study and see. I will have my own feedback what is working for me and what is not. That is it for today. Thanks a lot for watching.